Hello students, welcome to Listen and Learn. Today we are going to complete margin questions and English workshop of the poem The Weight. The Weight अर्थात Doctor of the Animals. Let's begin with margin questions. Question 1. Why is it so difficult to be a successful weight? It is so difficult to be a successful vet because a competent vet needs wide knowledge of his patient's illnesses. He must know different inside body parts of the animals. What is wrong with ducks and chickens? The ducks and chickens have failed to lay eggs. What are the opposite illnesses of the lion and the Arctic fox? The lion has got cold and the Arctic fox, who lives in cold weather, is suffering from heat in the zoo. These are the opposite illnesses of the lion and the Arctic fox. एक को ठंड लग रही है और दूसरे को गर्मी हो रही है. Why have the giraffes got stiff necks? जिराफ्स की मान में अकड़न क्यों हो गई है? Necks of the giraffes are feeling stiff because they had a tiff. उन्होंने आपस में झगड़ा किया. Why does the poet call the vet omniscient? Omniscient अर्थात सर्वज्ञ, जिसे सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए ऐसा. The poet calls the vet omniscient because he always has to deal with every kind of disease of the animals. He has to know everything about the animals, including their inside and their behavior and suitable treatment for them. What is the poet's advice to you? Do you think he means it? कवि हमें इस कविता में क्या सलाह देते हैं और क्या सही में वे यही कहना चाहते हैं? The poet advises us not to become a vet and not to try to treat the wild, dangerous animals. He further advises us to find some easier way for living. One can be a doctor to treat the illnesses of man. कवि हमें सलाह देते हैं कि जंगली खतरनाक जानवरों का डॉक्टर न बने, बल्कि कोई आसान सी राह चुने अपनी उपजीविका के लिए. आप अगर डॉक्टर बनना ही चाहते हो तो इंसानों का डॉक्टर बन जाओ. लेकिन प्रत्यक्ष रूप में कवि यह नहीं कहना चाहते हैं. कविता का एक्चुअली संदेश क्या है? Actually, the poet does not really mean to say so. He wants to point out the importance of the vet's work. जानवरों के डॉक्टर के काम का महत्व बताया है कवि ने इस कविता में. And he wants us to respect the hard work in their profession. कवि चाहते हैं कि हम एक वेट के कड़ी मेहनत का रिस्पेक्ट करें. Then English workshop of the poem. First question, write down the rhyme scheme of stanzas 1 to 3 and the last 2 stanzas. पहले 3 स्टांजा और आखिरी 2 स्टांजा की राइमिंग स्कीम क्या है और how does it differ in the remaining stanzas 4 to 7? There are 9 stanzas in the poem. Stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3 and last 2 stanzas have the rhyme scheme ABAB, means first line rhymes with third one and second line rhymes with fourth one. Stanza 4, 5, 6 and 7 have the rhyme scheme AAB, CCB, means first 2 lines rhyme with each other, third and sixth line rhyme with each other, fourth and fifth line have rhyming pairs. It means stanza 1 to 3 and the last 2 stanzas have 4 lines each, with the rhyme scheme ABAB. Stanza 4 to 7 have 6 lines each and their rhyming scheme is AAB CCB. यह आपने एक बार कविता रीड करना है और हर स्टांजा में यही राइम स्कीम है क्या, यह कंफर्म करना है। राइमिंग पेयर्स मैच करते हुए उनके सामने अल्फाबेट्स ए बी इसी क्रम से लिखने हैं और देखना है whether this rhyme scheme is correct or not. Then write any 5 illnesses of the animals in the poem that you find most amusing, laughable. अलग अलग प्रकार की बीमारी है एनिमल्स की कविता में बताई हुई जिसमें हमें हंसी आती है, अम्यूजमेंट होता है। ऐसी इलनेसेस कौन सी है? The most amusing and laughable illnesses of the animals from the poem are: the zebra is getting old, the Arctic fox is suffering from heat, the panther has a wife who chews his ears, the monkey has pinched his tail, the kangaroo won't jump. Next question. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi, Marathi or your mother tongue. ऐसे एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स के नाम ढूंढने हैं जो इंग्लिश, मराठी और हिंदी में एक समान हैं। जेब्रा, चिंपैंजी, जिराफ, कंगारू are the names of animals similar in Hindi, Marathi and English. Translate the names of zoo animals given in the poem into your mother tongue. Lion, लायन को हिंदी में शेर और मराठी में सिंह कहते हैं। फॉक्स, हिंदी में लोमड़ी और मराठी में कोल्हा। हाइना, हिंदी में उसे लकड़बग्घा कहते हैं और मराठी में वह तरस होता है। राइनो, गेंडा। क्रोकोडाइल, मगरमच्छ या मगर। जिराफ, हिंदी, मराठी, इंग्लिश में जिराफ। मंकी, बंदर या मराठी में माकड़। हिप्पो, दरियाई घोड़ा जिसे मराठी में कहते हैं पान घोड़ा। देन think deeply and write, is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming vets? Explain your response. No, the poet is not discouraging the youth from becoming vets. Actually, the poet wants them to realize the responsibilities as a vet by discussing the number of diseases in animals and birds. The poet wants them to respect the hard work of vet, which is more difficult than the work of a doctor of human beings. Find out from a vet or from a website. What precautions does a vet have to take when he or she is called to treat wild animals? Make point-wise notes of the same. जब किसी जंगली जानवर का इलाज करने के लिए पशु वैद्य जाते हैं तो उन्हें कौन सी सावधानियां बरतनी चाहिए? The vet needs to take the following precautions: restrain the animals properly, take help of strong helpers to handle the animals, wear personal protective kit, treat the wild animals in a strong iron frame so that animals don't move out while treating. Treat the animals with love and care. There must be an emergency exit so that if the wild animals turn violent, one can escape. Complete all these questions and answers in your notebooks properly. If you have any doubts, ask in comment box. If you understand the video properly, share it with your friends. We shall meet with a new video very soon. Thank you.